Today, I'm going to make a chicken sandwich on a budget. To start, I just put these chicken breasts, you can get them at the Real Canadian Superstore if you're in Canada, into the air fryer to get all nice and crispy. An awesome thing about those chicken breasts, they're in that $10, $15 section, so they're always on sale. And just a little note about that section in Superstore, they're always changing it up, so those chicken breast fillets might not be there and you might have to substitute with something else. Next, I'm going to fry up some bacon slices for it, and this pack I actually got on sale. So I actually happen to be a lady that's all about the sales, and I mean, if I could get into couponing, which if anybody has any tips on, please let me know. I totally would. I think it's great. So on that note, everything else that is used for this sandwich was actually either bought on sale, like the romaine lettuce was a 6-pack on sale at Superstore. The buns I'm using are the Del Italiano buns, and I actually got them at Dollarama. Yeah, I know, buns at Dollarama. And the mayo, Parmesan, and Caesar dressing all come from Costco, so I can buy it in bulk because we use these three things often and they last a while. When I'm cooking bacon for sandwiches, I actually like to just put it between 2 pieces of paper towel and pat it dry so that the grease doesn't make the bread soggy. Time to put them together. And there you have a chicken Caesar salad sandwich done on a budget.